Luxury clients are out there. They're just not coming to you. You're repelling them like a fly. They don't want to come to you. And these are the reasons why. Hey y'all, my name is Christy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back if you're not new. And today we're talking about luxury clients and how to stop attracting cheap clients because girl, it's 2025. I'm not doing this for $30. No ma'am. If I'm having my own studio, I got my own everything. I'm paying booth rent, everything. I'm not gonna be doing that. No ma'am. Like, and you shouldn't either. Hit that like button if you're ready to get started with this video. And let's get on to number one. So first of all, upgrade your branding. Simple enough. Y'all should know what I mean. Upgrade your branding. If I go look at your social media right now, are you branded? If you can't answer yes confidently, you need to go fix your branding. Okay. It's so important to know what you're doing, who you're doing it for, why you're doing it, because that's the basis of everything. Like that's the foundation of your business, your branding. So make sure you're representing your business, make sure your social media is representing your business, and make sure you know what your business is so you know how to clearly represent it. Work on your branding. I have a whole freaking course about it. If y'all want to get into it, girl, y'all should join my mentorship. Hello. But yeah, that's number one. Number two, social media presence. Upgrade your social media presence, period. Okay. If you're upgrading your branding, then I'm sure your social media presence will automatically up itself. That's how I look at it. But if you don't know how to do both simultaneously, it's okay. In my last video, I was talking about personal branding. If you want to know a little bit about you, so that's one way that you can upgrade your social media presence. Let your clients into your life. Let your prospective clients know who you are a little bit. Post the best nails that you can. Like show up consistently. Do some nails look cute and some look a hot mess. Like, do you do reels? Do you do carousels? Like, what do you do? Are the colors cohesive? Like, are you attracting that luxury client? Do you have that luxury vibe about you and about your business and your brand? Or is it just cheap? For real, like, ask yourself these questions, answer them. You don't have to tell me, it's okay, but that's what we need to know. If you want luxury clients, you don't want to repel them. You want to attract them. But if you don't look attractive to a luxury clientele, they're not coming to you. They're going to somebody else whose branding is in place, whose social media presence is cohesive with luxury, and that's just what it is. Now, also change how you talk about your services online. Now, before I get into this, I want y'all to hit the subscribe button because I'm really giving y'all all the tips for free, okay? Y'all not getting this from nobody else nowhere. So, can y'all hit the subscribe button for me, please? Hey. Now, back to changing how you talk about your services. So, it's very important to talk about your services in an edifying type of way. You need to say, okay, I have the best luxury services on the market. Y'all gonna be feeling zen and calm. Y'all are gonna be feeling zen, calm, happy. Your nails are gonna last so freaking long and they're gonna be super pretty. Like, if I said that, someone would be like, ooh, I want to sit in her chair because I'm gonna feel relaxed. My nails gonna look good. Like, I'm getting a whole experience. It's not just like, oh, I do nails. Like, I just do nails a little bit. Like, if you're shy about your business, you're going to get shy results. If you talk down on your business is going to get down results. So talk up about your business, talk luxury into your services, and those type of clients you will attract. Next up, premium options. If you don't have the service in place, no one can book the service. But if you have the service, somebody can book the service. So yes, you can have regular tier things, but also have premium tier things. It's very, very, very important, okay? Because you want luxury clients, luxury price points. Have luxury services. You can do things for like the normal people who don't want all the extra stuff, but do things for the people who also do. And lastly, think about your top clients. You need to have perks for them. Like, what do your top clients get from you? Have a loyalty system set in place? Do they get a free nail set after coming to you 5 times? Like, what is the perk that your top clients have? This is very important with having a luxury system because luxury people don't want to feel like, oh, I'm coming to her. I thought she was a luxury tech, but she's not giving me nothing really luxury. So have perks for them. Do you give out cuticle pins? Like, what do you do that screams luxury for your business? Other than just like how it looks or how you post online. If you want high paying luxury clients, click that link in the description box and let's get it started, girl. Let's get it started today. Let's not waste time anymore with clients that you do not want. Let's be intentional about who your target audience is and about the kind of services that you're offering moving forward. As always, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.